Stupid thing. Yeah.
Yeah, it would take a long time to do it there.
Thick as fuck, like. There must be a reason for it though. Like, look. See, double knot. It is really hardcore on your boots though. Blake's boots are wrecked. He's gonna have to get another pair. I think I won't be far off having to get another pair. No, I'll have to watch my pennies. Do you know, I was thinking of what to buy, but I think I might buy a pair of them Magnums while it's so cheap. Like, I think I'll get them down to 50, and I paid 80 for mine, and they were down from 110, and 110's like the going rate, like. So 50 quid, it's less than 50%. Last year, a good couple of years, like. Whoa. Yeah, my money's back to being a bit better now this week. We've got lots of hours coming up, and summertime's coming, so there'll be lots of work going, and I'll be able to squiddle a bit away and stuff. So it's good. I'm now in a good place. So you always know you are. Looks awesome to me, that little bothy thing. You get a bit less self-conscious around the camera now, eh?
What?
You get a little bit less self-conscious around the camera. You get used to it, like. When you get the body cam on, eventually you won't even know it's there. Yeah. Death Valley. Though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I shall fear no mountains, or any dragons, or any motherfuckers.
Up these dark and dusty, twisty roads.
Sweet home Alabama. See that?
That big compass board I sent you.
Yeah. I've got a tattoo gun, you know.
Oh,
yeah. I've got loads of needles and shit and all. I haven't done it on anyone else yet, like, it'd be fucking easier than doing it on yourself, like. I reckon I could maybe have a crack at that, you know. Yeah. I've got a fake skin, I'll try it out on the fake skin, see how it goes. No, it's just a rubber one you get with the tattoos, so it's better than the pig skin even. Yeah, this is sketchy, like. You've got hand grips though. See that? It's like really fucking dodgy, like. It's like it's fucking dodgy and turn around and everything, man. Nah, it's all good. It's decent hand grip, so kind of takes the stress off your boots, doesn't it? shit. Take a picture of his mother. Sorry, cheers, pal. There's probably a lot of things like that, like there might even be like markers or something. They didn't have GPS and shit back in them days, did they? There might be it. Oh yeah. There's a settlement though, somewhere. Alright, so like them lads who passed it though, no, didn't they? It was like a little village type thing, man. It's fucking looked awesome. So there was a lot of life. Oh man, that's amazing. Look at that. 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 Oh, you can see his Blake's bubble out. Huh? Isn't that awesome? Yeah. There might be gold. Fuck me, that's steep. Excuse my language, but I think I'm allowed to swear at that bit, because it is dangerous. Yet again, Drake's led me into the jaws of death. He tried to kill me, Blake. Blake, I think I have to go your side or... like your side? Yeah. Yeah, this side looks better. Yeah. Yeah, this so far you're alright. You hear me scream if I fall. You hear me scream and that's dodgy like. It's slimy as fuck. I'll have to go back down, I think. Slimy as fuck, like. It's dodgy as fuck. Well done me for turning back. Hey! Fuck. I'm a boot in the water there, like. Boot in the water time there. Fuck me. Why do I do this? Why am I doing this? Yeah, all good, pal. Now just being dramatic for the camera. Doing with Tom Cruise.
That way, maybe.
Nah, I'll be alright, I think, here. Steps like. Yeah. So just trying to be all Mission Impossible. Trying to be all Mission Impossible. Oh, it's fucking hard as fuck.
That is fucking amazing. Look at the people that sit there.
Oh, yeah. Whew. Rocks are silent as fuck. You can see there, like. Decent. Oh, that last shrub thing looks amazing. Stay there. Look. Sorry. Take one of me and all, Blake. Hi, up here. Yeah, good for climbing, like. That looks awesome. Look. Weird as fuck. Good. The header doesn't fucking give you much weight either, like, takes you forward, but that's about it. Monkey man. Monkey magic. Monkey magic. Monkey magic. Monkey magic. Oh, it's incredible. Would you just look at that? Doom, troopers. Fucking doom. Oh, I think it's psychedelic toadstools. I found this psychedelic toadstool. Nah, I don't think so. Looks like a shade or something. Oh, fuck me. Slip there, like. The ground got way there, like. Huh. That was dicey. Oh, this is where the ninja skills come in. Yeah. Fuck me. This is dicey. Oh. The grass is just getting worse. Good. Shout if you kick a rock. This is dicey. It's like probably the dodgiest we've been on. Oh, fuck me. Excuse my language, but yeah, it's very dodgy. I'd say this is dodgier than last week by far. Dodgier than that waterfall. Fuck me. I can feel that water. that was sketchier than that one over there. Wasn't it? That last bit there, man. Like literally I was getting onto sods and I put the weight on them and they were just sliding down. Yeah. Well done, pal. Yeah. Yeah. Looks like a structure there.
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
On a rating of 1 to 10, how dodgy was that?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Still out for that being a high. Face your fears, they said, the fucking liars. Oh. Oh. Leaning back like that didn't help from my stone ahead either. Oh. This is worth getting a wet arse for. Look at this spot here. Yeah. You can see the water spray playing in the wind. Yeah, it's getting us there. Getting soaked. Spirit of the lake, that. Spraying me. Spraying me.
Yeah, lovely, innit?
Oh.
Sprayed by waterfall.
Spirit of the lake. Huh? Yeah. Look at this side like. There again. Look at that. This is why we need 2 body cams. Sketchy.
Oh!
Yeah, watch out, man. Don't do it.
Yeah, that's right. I'm a professional! Good lad.
They beat him. I flew. I can fly. Yeah.
Alright.
Oh man, what a view. What time is it? Half 9.
Oh my god, mate.
Just look at like 3 hours.
Fucking been over there.
Right. No, we were on the other one. Like, oh no, yeah.
Yeah,
That's-
one, isn't it?
That's what, like 3 mile, do you reckon?
Yeah. 3 peaks, isn't it?
Yeah.
3,
Yeah, we crossed like 2. This is like the 3rd, isn't it?
yeah.
This is Herdus. We are climbing Herdus.
A bit of water spits, let the 2 gills.
Aye, fucking Herdus. We are fucking legends. Legends of the lakes already. Fuck Wainwright. He didn't do this shit. I bet Wainwright didn't get up here.
That's just the most waterfalls I've seen. That's this waterfall already.
I love this Herdus stuff when you can dive into it and that.
I love it. Fucking love it.
Look at it! Oh, look at this! I get all excited! I said before, it's like fucking porn. I'm gonna look back at this and maybe play with myself one day, thinking I was the man. It makes you feel alpha though, doesn't it? When you're getting up there and that. So this is why we need 2 body cams so you can get your view and I can get like a different route up and there. Yeah. That's what I was standing on something like that before. The word just absolutely pushed it off. This grass is good, like. Oh, I'm gonna have some alright footage of you. I think last couple of climbs there, because I got past you there. I was watching, you didn't know I was there. It's like a natural thing. How thick that forest was that we just edged before.
Yeah.
Jumped right down.
Yeah.
You get lost in there, like. Oof, it's marshy as fuck. Oh, it's safe, like. That's definitely fucking deer shit, that, like. So,
Yeah, not fucking.
fucking bored hatters, man. It's nothing to kill, though. Except tourists. Robin Hood. It looks cool as fuck on the body cam as well when you're doing these leaps, not over the fucking water and that. Looks dramatic. We're nearly there. My arse is pitted, like. My arse is soaked. Oh, sure, still got them prawns in us as well. So leave it at that. for now.